Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to resource for all things health and wellness. We're all about empowering you with knowledge to make informed decisions about your health. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the often overlooked, yet crucial mineral zinc. You might be surprised to learn how vital it is to our bodies and how its deficiency can manifest in unexpected ways. So let's get started. Today we delve into the world of zinc, an essential mineral to understand the signs and symptoms of its deficiency. Zinc is a vital mineral that our body requires for numerous functions. It's like a behind-the-scenes star working tirelessly to ensure that everything runs smoothly. One of its most important roles is in our immune system. Zinc helps our bodies fend off invading bacteria and viruses, acting as a knight in shining armor against unwanted intruders. But that's not all. Zinc also plays a crucial part in protein synthesis, helping to build and repair ourselves. It's a master architect designing and constructing the very building blocks of our bodies. And let's not forget about cell division, a process where zinc is the director, ensuring that each new cell is a perfect copy of its predecessor. However, when we're deficient in zinc, our body's functions can start to falter. It's like a well-oiled machine suddenly grinding to a halt. The potential dangers of zinc deficiency can be serious, affecting everything from our immunity to our cognitive function. Now let's uncover the first two signs that could signal a zinc deficiency. The first sign to look out for is a change in your appetite. This might manifest as a sudden decrease or an increase in the amount of food you consume. This happens because zinc plays a vital role in the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, a key component in the digestion process. When your body lacks zinc, your stomach struggles to produce this acid, leading to appetite changes. The second sign is impaired immune function. You might find yourself catching colds more frequently or wounds taking longer to heal. Zinc is crucial for the immune system to function properly. It helps in the growth and function of immune cells. So without enough zinc, your immune system could be working below par, leaving you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it might be your body signaling a lack of zinc. Let's continue with the third, fourth, and fifth signs of zinc deficiency. The third sign could be slow wound healing. Zinc plays a crucial role in the body's ability to heal itself. It is an integral part of the process that helps create new cells. And without it, your body may struggle to repair damaged tissues. So if you've noticed that cuts or scrapes are taking longer than usual to heal, it might be a sign that you're not getting enough zinc. Moving on to our fourth sign, a loss of sense of taste or smell. Zinc is essential for the proper function of the taste and smell receptors in your body. If you're finding that your morning coffee just doesn't taste the same, or the smell of your favorite food isn't quite as enticing as it used to be, you could be dealing with a zinc deficiency. And finally, the fifth sign of zinc deficiency is mental lethargy. Zinc plays an important role in maintaining brain function. It's involved in everything from memory to mood regulation. If you're feeling unusually tired, forgetful, or just mentally sluggish, it might be because your body doesn't have enough zinc to keep your brain firing on all cylinders. These signs could be your body's SOS for more zinc. Knowing these signs is your first step towards maintaining a healthy zinc level. Zinc, an essential nutrient, plays a vital role in our body. Its deficiency can lead to alarming signs like a weakened immune system, loss of appetite, and even mood disorders. Paying attention to these warning signs is crucial in maintaining optimal health. Your body is a complex and finely tuned machine. It requires a balance of nutrients to function at its best. Zinc is one of those elements that, if deficient, can throw off that balance. Don't ignore these symptoms if you're experiencing any of them. It's time to consult with a healthcare provider. They can provide you with the right advice and, if necessary, a course of treatment to restore your zinc levels. Remember, your health is your wealth. Make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more insightful videos like this.